What's up, guys? This is Adam with Extreme Customs. Today we're down in the garage and we got a bunch of projects to bring to you today. Today we're actually going to be starting out with this Ford Mustang. Getting some alligator printed Asantis. Let's check these out.
Gators, we like to call them the crocodiles.
This is for when, you know, it's Friday night and you trying to put your now and later gators on.
I can tell you one thing, they don't make them like this no more.
They don't?
The chrome on there is 3 times the thick chrome nowadays. 3 times the thickness. No, this is an older wheel made by Asanti. They don't make it anymore. Pretty cool.
Talk shop with Trev.
Talk shop.
Talk shop. Say that one more time there now.
I said when he rolls out, I'm gonna roll another one in.
That's how we do it at Extreme. Get the roll out. Another one. You guys saw it, we just got done assembling on the Asanti Gators, little blast from the past, and now our boy Alex here has another car that we're gonna be pulling in. We're gonna see exactly how much cars we can get done in our garage here today. So we got another one. We got another one. Look at this cute little Fiat. We finna get mean with this one.
Yeah, you see this? This is a man's Mini. Oh, this is the same one that was at the half-mile event this weekend that trapped a better speed than you?
Dang, shots fired! Shots fired!
Damn, what's up? Dude, look at the fender blades on this thing, bro.
It's like this much of a wide body.
Fiat is getting a quick 4-wheel alignment. You know, it's getting set up because apparently the customer might have lowered it a little bit, set it up on some coilovers or something. So we're gonna dig into the suspension and make sure this thing is driving straight down the road.
How many cars we getting to today?
I mean, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10.
Lyman's done.
Finding out that on these Fiats, or these foreign cars, they don't give you a whole lot of adjustment for alignment specs. So one thing to consider when you're lowering a Fiat 500 is that there's a little bit more to it to get the car to really have great tire wear. And the factory really didn't see that as being a big issue at the time. So, you know.
This man can't be stopped.
We got it as good as we can get it, ladies and gentlemen.
Another one.
Best that we can do.
Another one.
Another one.
So, what's after this?
We got a Civic coming in 2018. About to get some Avid racing wheels on some Nitto Neogens.
Is that Boost?
That's Boost, ladies and gentlemen. That's what it's about.
Another vehicle. Another one. Another one. Look at that cute little car. All right, guys, we are 2 cars down. Many more to go. Right now, we're going to be working with a 2018 Honda, as Alex has explained. Let's take a look. All right, Alright guys, we've had pretty poor coverage. I had to go out on live unboxing here at around 11:30 Central Time. So I missed the Honda pullout, but that's okay because we got a big surprise for us. We'll hit that button. Oh, what's going on there now? What is going on there now? Hit him with the barn. And hit him with that luxurious. The man's looking good today, folks. Damn, son. Holy shit. They don't make them like this no more, folks. Holy shit. What is this?
It's a 1967 Mustang Fastback.
Damn.
They do not make them like this anymore.
I just said that out there.
They do not.
I literally just said that out there.
Got 4 mirrors. Look at that. A louver?
Hey, keep your demon away from that fucking car, Zach.
Look how they just French that in right there. Look at the back end of that.
Out of its time. Alright guys, the Ford is going out. Look who just popped up. Justin, the newest employee. Your tire and wheel packages are going out. We got Zach right here putting together your tire and wheel packages.
I don't know if I'm putting together theirs, but I might be putting together somebody's.
Oh, somebody's with an RBP wheel. Ooh, got Isaac, the man himself.
You owe me a cheeseburger off the chuck wagon for every one that you messed up on wrapping.
Oh no, I messed it up? This is why I stay behind the camera. I messed up the wrapping process. Oh my God! No, 3, 4.
That's 4 burgers off
What
the chuck
happened?
wagon.
What happened? I played my part here at Extreme Customs and look what happened. Just poorly wrapped. This is what our packages look like being shipped out. That's how they're supposed to be done. Give it up to the boys. They know what they're doing.
Adam doesn't.
Adam's gonna stay behind the camera. Dustin's gonna take care of these tires and wheel packages. All right, guys, we've had a full day down here in the garage with projects coming in and out of our garage doors. We're gonna be wrapping up this day here down in EC Garage. We wanna thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning into our YouTube video, make sure you subscribe right below as we bring you more daily content of what is coming in and out of our garage.